ready for the van. Took the bed out and everything. Gonna try and build a box for the cooler to move it from behind the seat here and put it along the door. Put it along the door and replace that cubby. So heading over to my buddy Brett's ranch again, but not to do Apple stuff, to get some help with building this box of construction. So let's go see what we can make. So here's the rundown. Like I said, we took the cooler out of this spot, and we're gonna try and put it here, build a box around it, and also that'll lift it so it's as close to this counter height as possible, and we can have some cubby storage underneath. So this view, they're doing some work upstairs on the ranch, and gonna let me use their saws and give me some little pointers, help me out kind of on the side, see what we can get done. If all else fails, we got a trusty helper also. Hi buddy, where you going? Checking out the van? You taking measurements? Okay, we're with my buddy Justin, licensed contractor of Hardy-Built, right? Hardy-Built?
Hardy-Built, yep.
Yeah. I'll put his
Hardy-Built Custom Construction.
Yeah, I'll put the link in my. You got a website?
I don't have a website yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got the domain. I'll get it.
Yeah, and he's got an Instagram, so I'll at least put that on there so you can check it out. But
yeah.
Justin's taking a break from a project. He's gonna help me build the cabinet I was talking about. We got some dimensions, and we're gonna get to going. So thanks, Justin.
Heck yeah.
So what is this little sheet that's helping us cut the straight lines called?
This is called the track saw.
Track saw.
Yeah. This is the fancy Festool version. Expensive.
Only the best for the best.
Only the best. Oh.
So right now we're trying to cut out some things for the handles here, so we can get to them and get the cooler out when we need to.
When your eggs break.
Yeah, gotta clean out the cooler. And we'll have to cut out. There's three for the vents on these three sides. Come together.
So where's this going?
Right here.
Oh, it's going right there.
Yeah, so the fridge used to be back behind the seat, but it was a pain to just have to open it up and reach back there and stuff.
What are you gonna put behind the seat?
We're gonna build some more cabinets so I can have more storage.
Okay.
There we go.
So here we go.
Dropping it in. Oh, look at that. If it's in good.
One strong person.
Oh my God.
Did you shoot that part? Oh, you are shooting.
Yeah, I was shooting.
You're in fog film right now. Yes, baby.
Shh, baby's sleeping.
Nice.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, check this out. Okay. So we'll have to secure it to the wall and the floor and build some drawer cubby things down here. But the cooler can breathe. The cooler can open. We got area back here so we can get the plug wired. That's good. Now we have more surface. We can kind of put some storage here.
Yeah. Matching cabinet faces.
Yeah. You got
You have your little pop-up table here for the captain's chair.
We're gonna get a little nice, and we can even put some of those pouches here for some extra little storage. And these are about the same height as the counter, so we can get like a piece of wood too to kind of put as like a makeshift little
absolutely
countertop.
Yeah. Epic.
Woo!
You
Already built. Let's
getting
do
it done.
But wait, we're not done working on the box. Justin with Hardy Built did a great job building the box you saw, but tonight we are going to try and build the little cubby drawers that go on the bottom. We're at my buddy Mark's shop, and with a bunch of my other buddies who are doing various projects. Mark's wanted to test this out, so he's hosting us. Somebody's making a baseball bat, making some bird houses. He's helping me build these little cubbies. So we're gonna go into the shop, and Mark, my buddy who's done some other things helping, he built us this cabinet for the sink and everything like that before we hit the road this summer. He's been a huge help, so he's gonna help do the cubbies tonight. So let's go check it out.
I think it's funny that you want birdhouses in your van. Top of your van.
Yeah, I just want to presence the great amount of gratitude feeling after getting these van projects done. You saw the box, right? So this looks different. We got some pouches here. We got the drawers finished down here, and even added some of these folding shelves that'll lock in place. So thank you, huge thank you to Justin at Hardy Built Custom Constructions, a good friend of mine that helped basically build this box for us, and we just kind of put on some of the exterior stuff. And Mark, my buddy who helped us with this cabinet before we left, but once we moved the cooler, building these drawers for us and getting all this extra storage, got our battery system still here. So huge thank you to Justin. I didn't expect him to build it for me. This came from me talking to him, picking his brain, and going over to his shop, and then him being, hey, come over by the project and I'll give you some pointers, help you out. So just huge thanks for doing that. And our good friend Mark, who's helped us a ton, and continue to be super grateful with his time and skill set. I don't even think Mark has social media or watches YouTube, but send Mark and Justin huge gratitude for me. Haley was a little skeptical of whether or not she'd like this thing, but since we've got these two things in, has been super happy about it and loves it. So that's also brings added joy, kind of bringing the vision of making the space a little more functional and comfortable to life. So I also want to just presence our community at large that supports us. Justin, Mark, our family, friends, people who give us encouragement, who let us stay at their place, who offer their skill set to help us, let us have some materials. It's just ongoing, the amount of support, and that's really what I want to presence with this video, is our community and our gratitude, and leaning on the people who we love and that love us and support us back to really make our dreams come to life, whether it's building a new box or getting into van life in the first place. Whatever that dream is that we're manifesting, small and big, there's parts that we need to do ourselves, and then there's parts that we need support with. I'm not gonna be the person that says, if I can do it, you can do it. I don't like that message a bit, because you can't really do what I do, and that discredits my privileges, my fortunes that I have in my life at this time. Not everybody is in the same place as me, so I want to honor that too. But I do believe that each one of us has the capability to bring our dreams to life. Yours isn't going to be the exact same way or look the exact same as mine or Haley's, but you have great magic and power and support in your life. And if you don't feel like you have that support, I hope that you can kind of start nurturing and building that up. When I met these people in our life, I never had van life or these types of things in my life. Nurture the relationships and the people that care about you and your success. At this moment, I feel like I owe Mark and Justin specifically huge on these projects, and other people who've housed us while we've been here. But I know that I'll be able to repay them at some point, and give it back. Because that when we care about each other, that's what we do. So that's the message I want to put home, is really encourage people to go after what you want. There's things we have to do. We have to put in effort. But lean on your community, nurture your community as authentically as possible, because you don't know how you're going to be able to bless each other. And continuing forward, it's about community. It's about support, and the joys in the creation and in the grief. All parts of life, we need that community support. So I hope that this has been entertaining and meaningful for you, or even give some tips if you're into the van life thing. But please like it, comment what your favorite part is. Subscribe if you want to see more. I try and keep this alive and share part of my journey with like the message of what's really going on. So love you all and really appreciate you, and I'll see you down the road. Also, hi buddy.